Hey guys, I am right here on your so short. I'm selling out fidget spinners. This is just my cousins.
Well, don't show my dusty table.
And by the way, I'm gonna buy some more. Comment.
About 10 of them?
Yeah, I might sell them. And I got a white golden one.
You don't got no front camera?
I do. Just comment down below. Make sure my video have. I gonna make sure my video have 5,000 likes. And see you tomorrow. Peace.